Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. Today we're going to start off with learning how to make apple butter. And I've got to start with the taste test. I wanted to share with you all how I use the apple butter. So I've made some oatmeal. I'm going to have to show you all how I make it. It is the best. So I sprinkle some walnuts. Going to put a few pieces of banana in here. A few slices of banana. I eat this almost every day. A few slices of banana. Okay. Looking good so far. I gotta kick it up a notch. This is how I use it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I smooth it on top. Excuse me. And I smooth it on top. And this is how I eat it. Make this. That's all I can say. Keep watching. Keep watching, you all. Ingredients: 10 apples, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of apple spice, a pinch of salt, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 2 cups of organic raw sugar. Okay, here are the ingredients. This is going to make it smell so good. In the directions, I'll put everything that I'm putting in. This is about 10 apples in an Instant Pot, or you can do it in a slow cooker. Because I'm going to put this on slow cooker mode. Just going to let it sit here. I'll check it periodically. Okay. Slow cook. Eight hours. All right, we'll come back. It looks like after 8 hours. I like it really thicker and darker. So I'm going to let it cook for maybe another 4 hours. And okay, let's see what we're working with now. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? You'll never buy store-bought apple anything again. This is going to be scrumptious. I'm going to bottle it up and be right back. Maybe I'll let you in on this one. It's real simple. I'm just going to bottle these two up. Okay, I'm going to bottle it up. As it gets colder, it's going to get thicker and really be spreadable. You all see this? If you want me to do a video on how to can, just put in the comments below. I have to leave some head space. Head space is where you don't fill it up all the way to the top because it may expand. So I think that's enough for this one. Yes. This goes in the refrigerator. But when I can, I use this top. But that's a whole nother process, you all. I think I'm going to gift these. I got to get close so y'all can see this. Can you all see it? I sure hope so. You all will never buy store-bought again, I promise you. This was made with 10 apples. You can cut it in half, use 5. And 5 of the other ingredients. I'll put in the description, okay? Won't leave you all out there with not knowing what to do. So I hope you find this helpful. A change you can certainly do. It's kind of like old school. Yes. Peace and blessings. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful day.